state government contribution is 20%. The project will be implemented through Tribal Development Department of Agriculture, Public Works Department, Kinoda, and Council Assembly in the area of the bridge. Education Department, Agriculture, Farmers Welfare, Animal Resource Development, ARTD Department, Fishery Department, Information Technology and Rural Development. Under the project, 75,000 households will be benefited in lighting, food, intervention under the Rural Economic Growth and Service Delivery Project to be funded by the World Bank. 31 NOS secondary schools in the 12 aspirant blocks will be directly benefited from infrastructure development by construction of additional classroom and other facilities like labs, library, drinking water, and toilets. Under TRESP, students from 108 secondary and senior secondary school in 12 aspirant private blocks will be directly benefited from the setting up of vocational education, laboratories, provision of school-based vocational education, and providing in-person career counseling support. Our visitor from the new scheme declared in the budget for 2024. 3 new scheme has been declared for overall development of school scheduled tribe of Tripura. This is Chief Minister Tribal Development Mission, Mukhyamantri Janajati Vikas Yojana, and free education for the ST students studying in the top-ranked university institution. An amount of rupees 30 crore is kept for the scheme. Chief Minister Tribal Development Mission. The state government is committed to ensure the development of tribals of Tripura, keeping in this view, Chief Minister Tribal Development Mission focusing education, health, nutrition, sanitation, drinking water, livelihood will be formulated and launched. Mukhyamantri Janajati Vikas Yojana. In order to provide support to tribal communities and to further accelerate economic prosperity, the Mukhyamantri Janajati Vikas Yojana will be launched under the scheme. Assistance will be provided for economic generation and ensuring livelihood opportunity for the poor tribal families. Free education for ST students studying in top-ranked university. For development of quality of education of the scheduled tribe and to encourage ST students in higher education, this year the budget provision has been kept for a new scheme for providing free education, including fooding, lodging to the ST students studying at top-ranked university and institution. Offering growth division and order improvement. Present all there. To include individual family, take of on example to include our family, open just a side to have after the short I will be short of my car. To also to go away. To some time, the most of the Sarah to recover and our impossible. Because doing a mission, I want the mission to whatever someone is there, hiring missing half of half of we had a kind of person to be there. I want to talk to that was some for the type of one, local to recover on it, almost. People think of as a problem. The ADC area, look to unite from my hiring, but one of the things, or Basa, Padi, Martin was on or so ADC Mahabla. ADC having to be very young. ADC is having to buy some after ADC, I know, to tell 50 50,301 and put up the warranty 28,000 only SD. So the ADC release no why never. Ours to Mahadev, we will not pay a Alisona, the hour to Samari, then open time for time bomb 2022 this year. No more to Irani this slogan that is Samari, our Roma Karina. So dog market realize ini sudah going nowhere. Lama itu boleh. All the 40 crores itu extra value design boleh. Or business so. So saya mau jadi system jadi ramai mau buat kalau dia saya mau. Itu extra value itu jadi design kan awal itu boleh. Awal boleh. Aku tahu ini hospital di kau going hospital pasal di kau mau salah kan. Hospital ini edisi sekolah, dia edisi ini satu dua orang biasa edisi hospital mana? Jangan edisi hospital, dokter mungkin ऐसा डॉक्टर 24 आवर प्रोग्राम सेकंड तो 24 आवर पहले देखो तो अब जो किसान है ना वो एडीसी है डॉक्टर जो बोल है के और सुनाई तो हमारे otherwise the opposition leader of this view the power of Sanam को Allah तो सभी ने the XLB ini mokoi को सामने भी आ साउदे कृषि the farmer सामने जागा खाली नहीं उठा सार्कुल ट्रैक्टर कुले itu वो गवर्नमेंट काम करे कोनो समय सब सीपीएम सब कांग्रेस सब बीजेपी कोनो समय नहीं आया ओरिजिनल जरा कृषक फैक्टर हो ट्रैक्टर पावर टिलर सार दो बहुत बड़ा आइन है सरकार जगह खिलाफे होते सार में नहीं है पर ट्रैक्टर में नहीं है खाई को ऐसा जिन्हें को खाई जिन्हें और लोगे माय फिल्टर लिखा जो माय फिल्टर लिखा है और परमानेंट सेलेक्ट करता लेवल को काम कर जिन्हें ट्रैक्टर खिलाफे को आवाज है कर दो और सार कोई ट्रैक्टर कोई और को इतने आगे एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर वो ये अनेक देश का है अनेक डेवलपमेंट है एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर जिन्हें माय आप लोग को निकला से तो ट्रैक्टर के लासे तो विदेश को बहुत प्रोग्राम करने जाओ और तो पहले हो रहा है आवाज कर रहे हैं समय जिन्हें प्राइवेट में रिलेशन जिन्हें ऑनरेबल सुधी सरकार ने रिकमेंड वो तीसरा वो सब को है इसलिए यूजर समय में हम बोलो आई जो हम एनएससी आजू का और बोलो जो हम लगातार हम लोग सब सीपीएम एक्सिस तो हम कहना तो ऑपोजिशन अब तो सही है जैसे वो पूरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट ना हो डायरेक्ट फंडिंग ना हो ऐसे निकोल मिशन से या ऑनरेबल स्पीकर डिप्टी स्पीकर हम पूरा और रखा एरा को पब्लिक पर छापो खड़ा दिया आपने बोल तो पूरा अमेंडमेंट बिल और अमेंडमेंट पर ऑलरेडी साइन हो गया और बिल सोखा 10 पार्टी को फ्लो बने जे जो खैमन को से अमेंडमेंट बिल पास हो गए किंतु ऑलरेडी और भाई जो सब भाई पूरा आंसर आप वो कर रहे हैं the state government is committed for the socio-economic development of tribal communities, particularly development of Tripura tribal area, autonomous district council area, and also implementing various tribal development for the development of the people and being reviewed and being made more realistic. In order to extend more autonomous district council after approval of the state government of Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, establishment of town committee Bill 2019 has been notified in the Tripura Gazette. Government of India has been presented a draft Resolution 125 Amendment Bill 2019 in the Parliament with a view for overall development of the various autonomous council constituted under 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. To ensure the overall development and for giving more powers to the Autonomous Council of the North-Eastern Region, the Constitution 125 Amendment Bill 2019 proposed to include the following matters in respect of the tribal area Autonomous District Council. Increasing of number of seats, male designate members Somula Chandra Samani, from 30 to 50. Block council shall be established for a group of villages in the rural areas. Number C, extending power to transfer of land. D, providing additional power like North Kansai Autonomous District Council and Kargil Autonomous Council to make laws. Renaming Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council as Tripura Territorial Council. During 2018, 19 and 20, 21, 22, a total amount of rupees 114.40 crore has been provided to TTADC for various developmental activities under special assistance to central plan. During 2022-23, a total amount of 15.64 crore has been provided to TTADC for setting up a synthetic football ground at Komoro and Potogil. Drugs rehabilitation centers and tourist cottage under special assistance capital scheme in the financial year 2022-23. I submit to our members to cover our staff by that. Question is, greater Tripura land or not? No constitutional solution. That has to be one. Either it's greater Tripura land or constitutional solution. If it is constitutional solution, then the paper is taken. So, তিনি যে রাজনীতি বকিল না সাবুত খাইয়ে আমায় মোবাইল